How much more productive could you be with an extra hour of time each day? Better yet, what if you could forecast your energy usage, water consumption, and resource needs utilizing one single tool? It's estimated that food and beverage plants spend 30% of their utility resources on clean-in-place operations, lose valuable time during changeovers, and allocate between $20,000 and $40,000 of labor costs annually toward manual reporting. Emerson's CIP Analytics package solves each of these challenges by providing you with an automated solution that can optimize your entire cleaning operation. Most automated CIP skids still rely on some degree of manual checking and reporting to ensure equipment has been fully sterilized between batches. With our CIP solution, this time and resource-intensive process can be reduced by 20%, resulting in tremendous savings. Beyond just the cost avoidance, our innovative analytics tool and sensors can also track the energy and utilities consumption for each CIP cycle, providing you with actionable intelligence to identify trends and reduce usage. Our analytics package is also equipment agnostic, allowing you to easily connect to your existing CIP skids or utilize equipment provided by Emerson. As a single-source supplier, Emerson is capable of delivering tremendous value by tracking utilities, benchmarking cycles against a golden standard to know if you are cleaning effectively, and generating intelligent automated reports. Imagine what you could do with the cost, resource, and environmental savings.